Put your gloves on at least.
Let's get his spade out.
Could you fetch a spade out of the shed?
Huh? I did. Spade. Yeah, what?
Where is the spade?
I don't know. Oh, is it?
What, the one that's right next to you there?
What, spade?
Yeah, it's got it. Yeah, it's alright, it's got it.
Well, it can't get on.
Well, no, because it's right there. You've got it, Mother. You chill your beans, don't worry. Aren't you? Kyle. Right, sit on the chair then. You don't move the files. Yeah. Clever Jackie Tater.
You do.
I asked you about 20 minutes ago. But please, cheese and beans. Can I have my cheese melted?
Yes, darling.
Right.
Full one test.
No, I'll just have the half. I'll have another half in a bit. Or I'll have some. Yeah, I'll have a bit more carrot soup probably in a bit.
Oh, shit. I'll melt the cheese in the microwave.
Get Cheryl to breathe on it when we go right. Stop laughing, Mother. Just because you daren't turn around because I said get Cheryl to breathe on it.
Put it in the bin, please.
It's alright, it's all on video, Mother. Are you laughing?
Aye, he is. Yeah, of course he is. Just testing the ground. Some Australian just been poked in the head by the back of a firework.
Who cares what it goes there, though? Something come fucking this way.
He's dug the
Yeah,
hole
I don't want it to go next, do I?
Groove. He's dug the hole that good that it stabbed some poor Australian in the back of the neck.
Yeah, it's not going to stay there.
Yep.
You want to go around and take a few